Hi dears, today we are doing an easy smoky sparkly eyes. Let's start with applying the eye makeup before the face makeup so as to prevent the black eyeshadow from falling out. Followed by this shoe guard and the eyeshadow primer. Apply this skin-like color on the crease. Next, apply the black eyeshadow on the entire eyelid. I'm applying within my double eyelid area. If you dears have mono eyelid, you may like to apply about 0.5 cm above your lash line. Blend to blur out the boundary. This is optional if you don't prefer a sparkly look, but I love sparkly look, hence I'm applying this sparkly powder on top of the black eyeshadow. Let me tightline my upper eyelid to make the look as dark as possible. Using this skin-like color and apply to the lower eyelid. Next, apply this black eyeshadow again to outline the bottom lid, and followed by this sparkling powder over the black eyeshadow. I'm applying highlighter to the inner corner to brighten the look, followed by waterlining with this black eyeliner pencil. And there you have it!